Hello my YouTube followers, here is Rathorji, and in this video lesson we will see best SMTP email services. Alright, on my screen you can see those are the company we are currently using, but the results are zero. They are sending our messages but not going to be delivered. I'm not telling that's not okay. All those are good, but people are not happy with them. Alright, at the end of the video I will show you which email service I am using and all my messages goes to delivered. I will show you which tool, which software we need to use, and which companies services we need to use for sending emails. One more major problem: if you are sending very small spam word in your message, then your account goes to blacklisted. That is the main thing. Okay, so while choosing, let me show you, while choosing companies, SMTP companies or email companies, you need to focus on price, email delivery, and customer support documentation, so people can easily integrate their services. Because I know most of the people are not the developer, they don't know how to code, so documentation is important. Okay, and the support also good, so they can help you to integrate their APIs or SMTPs. That's the main thing. All right, so while choosing companies, you need to check the price, and also you should track your data. Okay, if you send a messages, then you have to track it's delivered or not. That's the main thing you need to use. These are the tools in the email service providers. All right, so while choosing, you can check easy upside up documentation, customer support, and also price. So companies are charging a lots of money. Some companies are, if you want to send the 10k messages, and they are charging a $50, that's not good. All right, so good, what thing is good? Good is, if you want to send 10k messages and price is just only $10, because email price is always less than SMS, because SMS is also more expensive, and people are not using those, but email is cheap, so everyone wants to use them. Those are the companies. I'm not telling you those are not good. We are using Postmark, SendGrid, Mailgun. Those are the good companies. MessageBird, Amazon Services, Mailchimp, Sendblue. Okay, so those are the company are good. So I'm not confusing you to show you a lot more thing here. But let me just show you my private, or just my personal tool, and I'm using that is you will just laugh if I will tell you, you are laughing, because it's very easy, because Google have changed their API and their functionality and all those things. So always I'm using Google Mail API, and there are workspace you can use G Suite and its API. You can buy the plans, and you can send lots of emails, Google Mail API, but its documentation is very important. You need to write a code and make the sender, and you can send the emails very easy. You can connect your Gmail accounts with them. So very basic things. So let me tell you which tool I'm using for Google Mail API. Let me just minimize this one, and this is Node, and Google Mail, and here this is I just written the code in Node.js CMD, and type here nodemon or a nodemon and inbox.js, and hit enter. If you are a developer, it will automatically open browser. Okay, it's open in my another monitor. So let me just, you can drag and drop here. So this is a KKMLR. To use this tool or this software, I just integrated. It's nothing, it's not a rocket science. I just used authenticated, or just written the code to authenticate the Google API. Generate token, authenticate app, just 2 buttons. It will automatically connect your Gmail accounts, and you can send the emails. Alright, so I'm not showing you all the features of this mailer, but it uses a Google Mail API. You can send mails with them. So let me close this one. Okay, so let's come back here. Actually I like this one because it's easy to use, and also you can send the free emails as well. So that point I always like. So 250 emails you can send per day with your free accounts. If you paid, you can send more than 10k, 20k, and whatever you need. You can choose the plan of Google, and Google Mail API always a good. Also it's a blocking accounts if you send spam messages. but it's good for sending emails if you are sending a good messages with them, and you can run the campaign and all your messages goes to its delivery rate is more than those companies, because Google is one of the best company in any services. Really, it's a boring video, I understand, but you're watching, so thanks for that. We will see you in next video. Till then, bye, have a nice day.